मालती भवानी वो प्रसाद देने के लिए बोली ध्यान रखो। स्मृति स्मृति प्रसाद एक पैकेट दे दीजिए एक पार्सल। ये व्यू बहुत अच्छा है, इधर का व्यू बहुत ही अच्छा है। एकदम एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड पूरा पूरा
आगे रोड साइड लेक है।
इधर भी एकदम ईस्ट साइड है, ईसीआर रोड दिखेगा।
रोड ओपन के इतना हवा है, रोड ओपन फोटो डालने एक चाहिए
वीडियो का थोड़ा भी ओपन कर देता है उसी में पक्का इफेक्ट चला के होती है।
भवानी क्या हुआ? ठीक है, तब तक बहुत इतना रिसेट कर लेते तो क्या करेंगे वो? ठीक है, बहुत इतना क्लास रिसेट कर लेते हैं, प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बाद प्रसाद होता होगा, हम लोग क्लास करेंगे जो आगे। अच्छा ठीक,
बच्चा आ गया तो कोई नहीं दिख रहा। प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का बच्चे कोई नहीं दिख रहा।
अब बोला याद है।
Now it's time for most awaited prize distribution event. I request the JK Guidance sir to present prizes to the winners.
दोनों मिलके देंगे।
First category devotional dance. First prize goes to Yashita.
यशिता कौन है उसका?
Parent name
हिमाचल
Anushka.
हिमाचल आपका बेटी। नॉट चेंज।
Second prize goes to Diyashini, daughter of Krishna Priya.
डांस हाँ?
Third prize goes to Tanushree Tripathi, son of Madhusmita Panda. Next category devotional dance, devotional song below 8 years. First prize goes to Srivatsa, son of Jyoti.
स्मृति प्रसादम एक पार्सल।
Second prize goes to Mokshita, daughter of K. Ramesh. Third prize goes to Harini, daughter of Balakumaran. Harini.
Hasini also is there, maybe there. You did coloring? No. That will come afterwards. Okay. Now, Harini, yours will come after some time. You'll call. Hasini is different event. Now event has come, otherwise you will come in.
Devotional songs is third name is
This way now. Come. WIP, yeah? You work in WIP?
Next category devotional song 8 to 14 years. First prize goes to Hari, son of Sri Chennakeshavlu.
बहुत अच्छा बजाते हैं।
हाँ, ना प्राइस किसकी?
प्राइस किसके लिए? प्राइस किसके लिए?
Drawing.
क्या है?
Devotional song 8 to 14 years. Second prize goes to Rakshit, son of Pavitra E. Third prize goes to Diyashini, daughter of Srimati Krishna Priya.
Second prize, good.
Next category devotional song above 18 years. First prize goes to Sukumari, daughter of Sri Sadhukar. Second,
तुम्हारे के डाको। अच्छा इक्विपमेंट। हाँ। ठीक है, तो keep it aside. She will come up.
second prize goes to Nandini, wife of Sri Ramakrishna.
She is coming.
Come.
Next category coloring or painting up to 6 years. First prize goes to Balendu Nemesh, son of Mr. Nandagopal. Second prize goes to Hasini, daughter of Abhinaya.
Abhinay, your mother, huh?
वो भी नहीं?
Abhinay is your mother. So Balakumar, father.
Okay, okay.
Your parents came? They came? Where do you stay?
Yes.
Third prize goes to Mokshi Jagsi, daughter of K. Ramesh. Next category coloring or painting, age 7 to 10 years. First prize goes to Srivatsa, son of Jyoti Swarupa. Second prize goes
Bring your
to
son. It is gifting, bring your son.
Second prize goes to Neeraj, son of Pavitra. Third prize goes to Diyashini, daughter of Srimati Krishna Priya.
हाँ, अरे
Next category sloka recitation below 10 years. First prize goes to Srivatsa. Srivatsa. Next category sloka recitation
Next day.
10 to 18
When they are
years.
coming back?
First prize goes to
When
Diyashini.
they are coming back, Shivatsa is okay. So next week you bring Shivatsa.
Okay, sure.
शिवत्सा का रख दीजिए शिवत्सा के साथ ही लेंगे
अच्छा बोलेगा।
नेक्स्ट वीक कर
Sure,
लीजिए
sir.
Second prize goes to Ram Sudarshan.
अभी किसकी है? हाँ? हाँ, वो ठीक है।
Third prize goes to Krishna Pranav, son of Srimati Malati.
हाँ,
Next category sloka recitation above 18 years. First prize goes to Nandini, wife of Ramakrishna. Next category Kahoot quiz kids category. First prize goes to Krishna Pranav, son of Srimati Malati. Aditya, daughter of Mr. K. Ramesh. Third prize goes to Mr. R. Ram Sudarshan, son of Mr. V. Ram Prasad. Next category, Kahoot with adult. First prize goes to Vijay Padmini. Second prize goes to Mr. Pavan Rohit. Third prize goes to Mr. Chaitanya. Next category, coloring and painting, 11 years and above. First prize goes to Krishna Priya. Second prize goes to JNL Malati.
हाँ मालूम
पेंटिंग बहुत अच्छा करती है.
Third prize goes to Rakshit. Now it's time for consolation prizes. Next category, sloka recitation below 10 years. First prize goes to Srivatsa. Second prize goes to Mokshita. Third prize goes to Hasini.
Only Hasini is there.
Now it's time for consolation prizes. In devotional dance, Ditya, Lalita Pragyan,
Only absent you mark. It is there, but in the consolation we will not know. In the consolation we mark it. Whoever is absent, na?
coloring and painting up to 6 years, Lalit Pragyan, Geetika.
Consolation में who is absent you mark it because their name we have not written.
Geetika, anyone? Geetika.
Geetika I think Madhav.
Coloring and painting 7 to 10 years, Ishin Anitej, P. Jihvika, Krishna Pranav.
Not came.
Sloka recitation below 10 years, Govind Rishikesh, Madhav Rishikesh, Manya Agarwal,
The two are there, na?
Govind
For his
Rishikesh, Madhav
brother, for his
Rishikesh.
brother, for his brother one.
Next category, Kahoot Quiz Kids
Why
category.
your brother not came?
Govind Rishikesh, Madhav Rishikesh, Kshetra.
Or next day you bring your brother up. Okay? Next day you bring your brother. Govind Rishikesh, Madhav Rishikesh. Yes, you will feel bad. Govind Rishikesh, Madhav Rishikesh.
Next category, Kahoot Quiz Adult. Consolation prize goes to Bhavani.
ये किसमें? Which category? Which? Naga Shiva. Okay, Bhavani.
भगवान यहाँ के
सामने देखिए सर, सामने
Here.
Next category, coloring and painting 11 years and above. Sri Advait.
No.
Son of Anusha Khaji.
वो मार्क कर दीजिए कंसोलेशन में जो
Congratulations to all the winners. Now it's time for vote of thanks.
Now before that, last time some pending is there.
Pending.
So by chance those people are here.
Manvita Sri.
Manvita is absent.
Srivas my son.
Srivas is absent.
My son.
Lalit.
Atharv Gupta.
Atharv Gupta.
Srivas.
Srivas is absent.
Srivas next week will take part. Come.
Atharv Gupta.
Hey.
Atharv Gupta.
Pranam, mind your business.
Sai Swarup. Sai Swarup, Atharv Gupta,
Hasini. One more previous prize is there. Hasini or Harini?
Hasini. Hasini sir.
Hasini or Harini? Okay, Hasini is available. Yes, we announced which event and what.
Shloka recitation. Second prize.
In the previous event. Certificate is there. Okay.
Manvita Sri.
Absent.
Varsha.
Varsha.
Lakshita. Lakshita Varsha.
So next one more you have to keep like that. Whoever is absent, but you have to intimate. Already we intimated this team also.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for vote of thanks. We heartfully thank our distinguished guest, Sri J.K. Gayan sir, for contributing his valuable time for this event. We extend our gratitude to Sri Sadhukan sir for his continuous efforts to engage people in Sankirtan programs and in spiritual events. We thank Srimati Krishna Sadhukan Mataji and Ms. Sukumari ji for all their support during regular Sankirtan programs as well as for the spiritual events. We thank Srimati Malati ji and Sridhar ji for sponsoring the prizes for the event. We thank all the volunteers, participants, their parents and all the devotees assembled here and made the event successful. Hope we all meet in future Sankirtan programs. Hare Krishna.
Maybe another 5 minutes you can do. Bhagavad Gita recitation will do. Afterward you take prasadam. Chapter 3 will recite. You give this book, give this book, give this book. Give this book. Sir, Gayatri give. ये अभी recitation chapter 3 open
Mind your
करिए.
business. Take all, man.
Recitation करके क्लास पढ़ने जो होगा तब प्रसाद भी करा लोगे. Hey, madam, you give the books. These three books. For recitation. Whoever is sitting there, na, you give. All Rohit, you give the.
prepare.
वन बुक क्यों मोबाइल में आता है किसी का शेयर कर लीजिए चैप्टर 3 ठीक है अब एक बार मोबाइल में अगर ओपन करना तो कोई बुक किसी को दे दीजिए चैप्टर 3 व्हाटएवर वी आर डूइंग नॉर्मली कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 3 अर्जुन उवाच जयसी चेत् कर्मणाते मत बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे माम्य जयसी केशव प्रमित्से वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसि भवे तदेकं वद निश्चितं येन श्रेयम् अप्नोत् श्रीभगवानुवाच लोकेऽस्मिन् द्विविधो निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञानयोगेन साङ्ख्येन कर्मयोगेन योगिनं न कर्माणम् अनरम्भं नैष्कर्मं पुरुषोऽश्नुते न चाशन्नशनादेव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति न हि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातो तिष्ठति अकर्मकृत् कार्यते ह्यवश्यकर्म सर्वप्रकृतिर्जैर्गुणैः कर्मेन्द्रियाणि संयम्य यास्ते मनसा स्मरन् इंद्रियार्थं पुरात्मा इति मन्यते मिथ्याचारः उच्यते यस्तु इन्द्रियाणि मनसा नियमारभते अर्जुन कर्मेन्द्रियैः कर्मयोगम् असक्तो च विशिष्यते नियतं कुरु कर्म तं कर्म जय कर्मणा शरीरयत्रापि जाते न प्रसिद्धयः कर्मणा यज्ञार्थं कर्मण्यन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनं तदर्थं ये दिस श्लोक I am saying चेतन दिस श्लोक यज्ञार्थं कर्मण्यन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनं finally we have to do it everything for God's only what was it यज्ञार्थं कर्मण्यन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनं तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्त संग समाचरन् यज्ञ प्रजा सृष्टा पुरा वाचा प्रजापति अनेन प्रसविष्यतम् एषा वस्तु इष्टकामतु देवन् भवतानेन ते देवन् भवयन्तु वा परस्परं भवयन्तः स्यो परम् अवक्षत इष्टं भोगमिव देवं दर्शन्ते यज्ञभाविता गूगल में सब कट हो गया गूगल में ये मोबाइल में कट हो ऑनलाइन तो कट हो गया वो चल रहा है क्या वो चल रहा है बट ये भी कट हो गया दोनों देखिए ये किसका है पांच श्लोक चल रहा था यज्ञ शिष्टाशिनोषन्तो यज्ञ शिष्टाशिनोषन्तो मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल विषय भुञ्जते तु पापा ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणात् अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यतान्न कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्मक्षारसमुद्भवम् तस्मात् सर्वगतो ब्रह्म नित्यं योगे प्रतिष्ठितम् एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं न वर्तयति यजा अगविद्या रामो मुगं पार्थोष जीवति यस्तु आत्मरतिरेव स्यादात्मदृष्टस्य मानव आत्मनेव च सन्तुष्टस्तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते नैव तस्य कृतेनार्थो न कृतेनेव कश्चन वो चल रहा है ना जस्ट चलो भूतेषु कश्चित् अर्थव्यपश्य तस्मात् अशक्तो सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचरन् अशक्तो हि आचरन् कर्म परम् आप्नोति पुरुषः कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थित जनकादय लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हति यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः शयत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तत् अनुवर्तते न मे पार्थस्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन अनावक्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि यदि न वर्तेयं जातु कर्माणि तद्विक अमोवर्तानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्य पार्थ सर्वशः उच्चिदेयुरिमे लोकः न कुर्यात् कर्म चेदां शङ्करस्य च कर्ताशाम् उपहन्नम् इमं पुनः शक्तो कर्माणि अविद्यांसो यथा कुर्वन्ति भारत कुर्यात् विद्यास्तथा शक्तः चिकीर्षु लोकसङ्ग्रहम् न बुद्धिभेदं जनाय ज्ञानो कर्मसङ्गिनं योषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि पुनाचरन् प्रकृते क्रियमाणानि मनो कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकारो भक्तम इति मन्यते तत्तवितु महाबाहो गुणो कर्मो इत्यादि गुणेश्वरता इति मत्ता न सज्जते प्रकृतेर गुणसम्मूढः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तन्ना कृष्णविदबन्धन कृष्ण भिन्ना विचले मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यासात्मचेतस निराशीर्णो भूत्वा जुतश्च विगतजरा येन यपनितं अनुतिष्ठन्ति मानवः श्रयतो मुच्यन्ते कर्मभिः एतु एतदभ्यसूयन्तो ननुशिष्ठन्ति मानवः सद्वज्ञानः गुणस्थं विद्धि नष्टम् अचेतस सादृशं चेष्टते स प्रकृतिर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिजाति भूतानि निग्रह किं करिष्यसि इन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषावस्थितौ तवक्षोपरिपन्थिनः सधर्मभिगुणः परधर्मोऽसमुचितं सधर्मेमिदं श्रेयो परधर्मोऽसुभावः अर्जुन उवाच अथवा केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पुरुषः अनिच्छमपि प्रश्नेया बलादीवानि हन्तिता एष क्रोधेश रजगुणो समुद्भवः नाशनमाप्नोति विद्येन प्रियवैरिणम् तुमेना प्रियते वाणीर्जत आदर्शमनेन च भवेन प्रीतो गर्भस्तथा तेनेन आवृतं ज्ञानेन ज्ञानिनो नित्यवैरिणा कामरूपेण दुष्पुरेण अनलेन च इन्द्रियाणि मनोबुद्धिः मुच्यते एतद्विमोहात् येषां ज्ञानम् अप्रियतेयम् तस्मात्तमिन्द्रियाणि आदौ नियमः पापमानं प्रजायेन ज्ञानम् अज्ञाननाशनम् परानियाहो निग्रहेभ्यो परं मनः मनुष्यस्तु परं बुद्धिः परतस्ति सहस्रम् आत्मानम् आत्मना हे शत्रु महाबाहो कामरूपं दुराशरम् हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे प्रसाद दे कौन सा श्लोक तक लास्ट हुआ था हमें लास्ट वीक था ना लास्ट वीक था कौन सा श्लोक तक हुआ था लास्ट वीक कौन था ये दे लास्ट वीक कौन सा श्लोक एक सिंह तो था नहीं था ठीक है लास्ट वीक कौन सा श्लोक था वो तो रिवील कर देते लास्ट वीक कौन सा श्लोक हुआ था लास्ट वीक पक्का आप था अभय कुमार भी था लास्ट वीक यस वो कौन सा श्लोक हुआ था साहू भी था लास्ट वीक कौन सा श्लोक हुआ था भाई नहीं 12 तो बहुत दिन हो गया उससे आगे बढ़ गया 12 से करना है क्या भूल गया 12 के बाद सब ठीक है 12 से कर देते हैं 12 में 13 12 तक हो गया था ना तो 13 यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत मुच्यन्ते सर्व किलविचाई भुंजाते तो अहम पापा ये पचन्ति आत्म कारणात् यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत शिष्य आशिन यज्ञ के आशिन now the please keep to set now 13th श्लोक यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत मुच्यन्ते सर्व किलविचाई भुंजाते तो अहम पापा ये पचन्ति आत्म कारणात् यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन means शिष्ट after यज्ञ प्रसाद of यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन means after यज्ञ what is left out means after यज्ञ after performing यज्ञ means like the performing प्रसाद यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत means a saintly person यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत क्या है नंबर के सो क्या है यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत मुच्यन्ते नहीं यज्ञ शिष्टाशिन संत मुच्यन्ते सर्व किलविचाई so he gets rid of all sinful acts मुच्यन्ते means get rid मुच्यन्ते सर्व किलविचाई means papa all the sins he can get rid of all the sins by just taking the remnants after yajna whatever is prasad he takes that only so by taking that he gets liberated from all sins मुच्यन्ते सर्व किलविचाई भूंजाते तो अहम पापा ये पचन्ति आत्मकरणात्. So, but who, the other person who bhunjati means enjoys. Agam Papa enjoys and suffers. Agam Papa, great sea, glorious sea. Pachanti Atmakarana. Whoever is taking food for his own satisfaction of the tongue, whoever is taking food like that without offering it as a sacrifice to God, he is eating only seeds, Papa. Bhunjati Agam Papa, ye Pachanti Atmakarana. So the devotee or the saintly person who takes the remnants of the after the sacrifice, he gets rid of all sins, and on the other hand, the person who prepares food and takes it for himself or his children without offering it to God as a sacrifice, he or she eats only seed papa. इसका थोड़ा पाठ पढ़ लीजिए कोई, आगे थोड़ा पाठ पढ़ लीजिए इसका, पाठ इसका जो पाठ बोल के कह रहेगा ना वो पढ़ लीजिए. 13 श्लोक का परपट ट्रांसलेशन हो गया. मैं बोलते ट्रांसलेशन का परपट.
The devotees of Lord are released from all kinds of sins because they eat food which is offered first for sacrifice. Others who prepare food for personal sense enjoyment, verily only sin.
Only sin पापा. ठीक है ट्रांसलेशन हो गया. परपट में कुछ है इसका?
The devotees of Supreme Lord or the persons who are in Krishna consciousness are called santas, and they are always in love with the Lord as it is described in the Brahma
संहिता, ब्रह्म संहिता जिसका हम लोग रिसाइटेशन किया ना वो है.
The santas being always in
प्रेमांजन चरित वो श्लोक है. ब्रह्म संहिता का श्लोक है. प्रेमांजन चरित भक्ति विलोचन प्रेमांजन चरित भक्ति विलोचन यहाँ श्याम सुंदरम अचिंत गुण स्वरूप गोविंदमादि पुरुषम तमाम भजन वो श्लोक है. सो जो डिवोटी से भक्त है वो भगवान को प्रेम का अंजन से देख रहा है. अंजन मतलब काजल, जैसे काजल लगा हुआ है, प्रेम का काजल. भक्त का आंख में प्रेम का काजल है, उसमें वो भगवान को देखता है. प्रेमांजन चरित भक्ति विलोचन संतोष सदैव हृदय. जो संत है वो हृदय में हमेशा भगवान को देख रहा है क्योंकि उसका आईज आर ऑइंटेड विथ काजल ऑफ लव. उसका आंख में या हृदय में प्रेम का काजल है, इसलिए वो हृदय में हमेशा भगवान को देख रहा है. प्रेमांजन चरित भक्ति विलोचन संतो सदैव हृदय शुभिलाकायन्ति यम श्याम सुंदरम अचिंत गुण स्वरूपम गोविंदमादि पुरुषम तमाम. सो श्याम सुंदर को कृष्ण को भगवान को हमेशा अपना हृदय में देख रहे हैं क्योंकि उसका आंख जो है, हम हमेशा बोलते हैं भगवान को हम देखते हैं, आप देखना चाहते हैं, बट हम हमारे यहाँ ये चक्षु से हम भगवान को नहीं देख सकते. भगवान हमारे सामने भी आएंगे तो देख नहीं सकते. उसके लिए हमको अपने आप को शुद्धि करना पड़ेगा, आत्मशुद्धि करना पड़ेगा, तभी हम भगवान को देख सकते हैं. और जो संत लोग हैं वो हृदय में हमेशा भगवान को देखते हैं क्योंकि भगवान परमात्मा रूप में हर एक का हृदय में है. जो संत लोग हैं तो हर चीज में भगवान को देखते हैं और अपना हृदय में भी भगवान को देखते हैं क्योंकि उसमें आंख में प्रेम का अंजन है. वो सॉरी आई एम टेलिंग हिंदी, यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी? So the devotees can see the Lord. Devotees can see the Lord in their heart because they have an ointment of love. Their eyes are tinted with the ointment of love. That's why they are able to see the Lord in all situations within their heart and within everybody's heart. They are able to see the Lord because they are ointed with the love, pure love of God. But whereas we will not be able to see, even if Lord comes in front of us, we will not be able to see. Like in the Mahabharata Yuddha, so many people were there, but nobody could realize that the Supreme Lord is standing in front of them. So whoever are the pure devotees, they only can see Him as the Supreme. Like Bhishmadev could see, Arjuna could see, but all didn't see. Vidura could see, Kunti Devi could see. So there are very limited people who could understand Him as the Supreme Lord. But all others, although He was present in front of them, could not recognize Him. So similarly, if God comes in front of us also, we cannot recognize. So we have to develop the eyes of love. So it will come through satsang, through Naam Sankirtan, through Japa. So through that only, slowly we can develop that quality. ठीक है, और क्या next? Whether some more shloka will do or any discussion you want? We will continue like that, 14 like that. We will continue or any particular thing you want to discuss, any queries you want to discuss in that angle will do or? We'll go with shloka. Okay. So next 14. Annat bhavanti bhutani parjanyat annasambhava yajna bhavanti parjanya yajna karma samudbhava. Annat bhavanti bhutani means anna. By anna means grains. Because of food grains we get sustained. Annat bhavanti bhutani parjanyat annasambhava. Parjanya means rain. So food grains come because of the proper rains. Parjanyat annasambhava yajna bhavanti parjanya yajna karma samudbhava. And the rains also, proper rain will come if yajna is done properly. Then only proper rain will come. Otherwise only water will evaporate and it may not come to where it is needed. So proper rain will come, timely and properly will come if we can do yajna or yajna properly. Some people are also at least are doing, then also it will come. Yajna bhavati bhutani parjanya anna sambhava yajna bhavati parjanya yajna karma samudbhava. And how the yajnas are coming? By the prescribed duties given by the Vedas. By the Vedas only our prescribed duties are given and prescribed yajnas are given. If you are doing it properly, then proper timely rains will come and all living beings will sustain. Then 15th, एवं प्रवर्तित 15th क्या है? कर्म ब्रह्म भव विद्धि ब्रह्म क्षरम समुद्भवम तस्मात् सर्वगतो ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञ प्रतिष्ठितम्. Karma brahma bhava viddhi. So our karma are prescribed duties. Karma means prescribed duties. Brahma bhava viddhi. Brahma means here it is told as the Vedas. It has come from the Vedas. Our prescribed duties are come from the Vedas. Karma brahma bhava viddhi. Brahma bhava udbhava. Udbhava means appeared, created from that. Maybe you can tell like the thing that karma brahma bhava viddhi. From Brahma it has come. It is from the Vedas it has come. Karma or prescribed duties. Karma brahma bhava viddhi brahma aksharam samudbhava. Brahma aksharam samudbhava. Brahma, these Vedas come from aksharam. Who is aksharam? Aksharam is Lord. Lord is called aksharam because it is aksharam is infallible. There is no deterioration of him. So that's why he is called aksharam. So the Vedas are coming from aksharam. That is the Supreme Lord. Vedas are coming from the Supreme Lord. इसको close करिए. ब्रह्माक्षरम समुद्भवम. कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवम विद्धि ब्रह्म अक्षरम समुद्भवम तस्मात् सर्वगतो ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञ प्रतिष्ठितम्. So ब्रह्माक्षरम समुद्भवम. So why Lord is called Akshara? Because he is infallible. In the Ishapit Upanishad it is told, Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Purnamadam Purnamidam. So Adam is that spiritual world. There is two worlds. This is the material world, what we are seeing, the material world. This is one universe whose diameter is about 4 billion miles. 4 billion miles is our material universe diameter. So 4 billion miles means almost we can take that almost up to Pluto or maybe one more planet beyond that. This is this material world universe, our material universe, our material world. So like that, so many material worlds are there. Similarly, so many spiritual worlds are there. Vaikuntha planets are there. Vaikuntha spiritual, Vaikuntha family is Goloka. So many spiritual worlds are there. And in between the transition between the material to the spiritual world, where it is Brahma, completely Brahma, undifferentiated thing. Brahma, it is not manifested anything, nothing is there. Brahma. There is an in-between thing between the pure material world and the pure spiritual world. So, what I am telling you, Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnam Om Purnamada. That means the spiritual world is complete in itself. Similarly, Purnamidam Om Purnamadam Purnamidam. This material world also is complete. So we have all the material necessities. And how to go back to the spiritual world, that also is available to us. We take it or not, that is up to us only. But all the things are available to us. So it is also complete. In a sense, this material world also is complete. Spiritual world is complete, material world also is complete. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Udachyate. And from the complete Supreme Lord, Purnat, again the complete things Udachyate. Udachyate means comes up, arises. Complete things arises. All these material worlds and spiritual worlds are coming out from the Supreme Lord. So, from He is complete, and from it the complete units are emanating, coming out. This material world is complete, spiritual world also is complete. So then like that, so many Vaikuntha planets are also coming up. so many material oils also coming out. So both are complete. So although these complete things are coming out from the complete whole, which is the Supreme Lord, Purna Purna Pudachate, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnam Eva Avashishtate. Although these complete things are coming out, but Purnam Eva Avashishtate, Avashishta means remaining. The remaining, whatever remaining in the Lord also is against the same complete. Whatever was complete before all these complete things